Boy, yo boy, Marcia Campbell and the losing battle. Right now, Marcia Campbell stiff like a chicken. Right now, Queen Bee have her foot on her neck and her press it down. What a situation. What a piece of drama on social media. Now, people, Queen Bee call a lady that know David and talk to her and tell him say he must man up to him conversation that him had with her. You see me? Because apparently Marcia Campbell I use David against Queen Bee. You see me? And guys, we know say Marcia Campbell weak. We know say I'm out nasty and she's a very disgusting person on social media. She'll use the battle right about now. So she'll use somebody against Queen Bee. Queen Bee have all the evidence and the proof against Kaka Eye. Right now, Kaka Eye lose and she'll try her best as possible to grab on any kind of straw that she can grab on social media. Kaka Eye, come forward in the classroom and thing. Why you tell lie pan Queen Bee I say Queen Bee there with David and you know everything at our go on? Why you doing all these things? Queen Bee called the lady and call the lady, should I say, for talk to David, but apparently she never get David and thing. You see me? So David know what go on. Apparently Marcia Campbell reach out to David and put him in place and make him know what go on. You see me I say? Now guys, this drama not gonna stop on social media because Marcia Campbell I tell PLI and she run out of option right about now. Anything at all she can do, she gonna do. You see me? Any instrument she can use or any strategy she can use, she gonna use it. And you can see it, you can hear it in her voice right about now. Queen Bee have the victory over her. You see me I say? Because Marcia Campbell did a chat with David and also Queen Bee. And see now everything at all come out. Everything at all come out in the future. Because this when the thing the real people, it just come out at an unfold. Them two your friendship was not real from morning. That's why you see that everything about something now. You see me? The people ask why Queen Bee come out from Marcia Campbell now. Apparently Queen Bee no fear reason why. Marcia Campbell is a stagnant woman and her mouth is very dirty and she calls up Queen Bee name. So of course Queen Bee have to come out come defend herself. But on the other hand, the two of them was a Batty and Bench, as I tell you before. The two of them that linked together close. You see me? So the two of them basically was like a sister together. And now it gone bad now. We see where Queen Bee now. I come out and I chat the line and I diss up Marcia Campbell and I expose certain things. You see me? Guys, not trust nobody not at all in a real life. You see me? That if you just say own from any more time. Because you say sometime and things, sometimes you don't know who are you. I gotta ride or die to the end. You don't know who are you. I gotta be there. Because some people say them a friend and them not friend. Because me a friend no matter what. No matter what. You should not come on social media and say certain things and put out certain things. So right about now, people, Queen Bee and Marcia Campbell deserve this what go on right now. You see me? I'm here, as me say, Marcia Campbell says she have some voice note and some recording for drop. Voice note and text message, should I say, for drop. Up to now, she can't drop them. She can't drop them. Up to now, she can't own up to the jacket. See there? Set my mind, Speak Minds TV. Drop the AI tool upon her below where she get confused now. See there, she start focus on Speaking Mind because she knows she can't respond back to Queen Bee. Because she knows the Queen Bee have the victory and it's a matter of time before more things come out. Marcia Campbell, if you come talk about David, why you say the lady there with David for? You see me I say? Why you saying all this bullshit? I know it not, you know not on so. Why you tell PLI? Because you knowing yourself, say, boy, you're on the losing battle. Use nobody on social media. You bad mind Dana, you bad mind everybody. You come out and discuss some dirty cloth and disrespect people with your nasty mouth. You never know that day come. Long run, short catch. Long run, short catch. See me? And guess what, my people? When you're on social media, no keep no friend yourself. I am by because some people will change overnight. Some people you think are your friend and your enemy them. Some of them dying for you and them stop talk. Some of them dying for bad things happen to you. You see me? Some is surprised that the two of them stop talk on a serious level like this, guys. Me the things that the relationship will continue. You see me I say? But guess what, my guys? There was no loyalty. The two of them that chat each other. I remember Kaka I'm out long. So she love chat. Remember Queen B love chat too. I remember the two of them did do things undercover. You see me? I know everything that I come out. The two of them did add plan for Dana. Me now go in a corner with that one. The two of them had plans for Dana. The two of them apparently never like Dana. Or I do not know if Queen Bee takes side in Marcia can hate Dana. But more things are come out, people. A lot of things are come out because that phone call that Queen Bee did and talk to the lady. You see me I say? That I gotta bring out a lot of things. Because Queen Bee want to make sure she clear her name and make David know himself. Because look like say David a pick up for Marcia Campbell. You see me as the people? Look like say David a pick up for Marcia Campbell. Look like a David and Marcia Campbell they did together. Yeah. And then Marcia Campbell twist it around and I say a Queen Bee, guys. But I watch and so I go on because this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be interesting because Queen Bee now stopping the people. Queen Bee, when she come again, she gonna do this video again about Marcia Campbell. But right about now, Marcia Campbell, we want to talk about the jacket situation. You need to come and update you about the jacket situation because we don't know what's going on right now. Yeah, man. We need to know what's going on with that jacket thing there. You see me? You need to come out and say, oh, it's Ricardo Swavey or where you want to call him. Because you tell people lie and you know in yourself, so Queen Bee know enough things about you. So you deny everything at her. You say, no, at all. I go so. And you just run from the truth. You run. And guess what, people? And everything will come out. Because guess what? Queen Bee deny things too, you know. Master can also deny things. So guess what now? In that mixed up and sorry, you can't trust nothing at all with your ear, people. You can't trust nothing at all with your ear. Because the two of them are going to tell a lie. The two of them are going to say no. The two of them are going to say it not go so. Them don't know about that. You see me? And you see how them are going to do? They might use the thing what them can do against each other. Any little thing at all them doing in the past. And any kind of relationship them have, they might bring it to the forefront and try to disown and try disrespect each other. But guys, we know that there is an outcome. Something must come out. You have to come out, drop down to the ground. Just like how we hear about the jacket, more things are come out. But Marcia can make her go and deny everything at her because she shame. She shame her go and she shame how she have one son. And then people say my jacket. You see me? And I just imagine a one pitney. So I can see what about the outcome, guys. Because right now, may I tell you, it don't look good. And you hear what Queen Bee say, it will become nastier. It will spread. Because of the whole David situation and how Marcia Campbell bring the battle on a different battlefield. You see me? But guys, when you tell me what you think about it, when you leave in the thought right down below, remember to like and share, guys, because it's very, very important to like and share. So, Marcia Campbell, nervous right now, people. Nervous. Yes, man, nervous. And bear in mind, guys, and everything I drop out, it's not everything at all that come out. Some are going to hide because some people don't want certain things about them come out. Them are going to hide it. Yes, man, a lot of things to come out. But, as I say, keep an eye close on the two platforms them because the two of them are going to expose each other. But Queen Bee have the angle over Marcia Campbell because Marcia Campbell love chat and love tell people for your business. So this is the outcome. You see me I say? Yeah, because I'm saying to people, Queen Bee say, yo, this man is somebody who she know and she make him buy something for her and apparently she not see him back in probably rip her off or up thing, guys. So the two of them have a bad relationship against each other, guys. And I don't know why the two of them come together and chase off each other now, guys. But there's got to be an end to this. So I could put toes and toes and just watch and see what go on and, you know, see how long the battle got over for and thing, guys. But stay tuned. Leave a thought right down below, guys, and I could see if what Queen Bee say a truth. I could see if Marcia can address it. See me how you know so she that ignorant and dunce. She come out come cuss her too cut a bad and thing. And there's no end product, guys. So when you take care of yourself, people. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and sharing. See me I say, guys, bless up. I'm going to say about the and we can say about the outcome between Maxine, should I say Marcia Campbell and Queen Bee.